Welcome back to TechPress. Today I'm going to show you how to use Copilot for your daily lives and a power assistant designed to enhance your productivity. So let's get started. The very first thing to do is to understand the Microsoft Copilot. This one is an AI assistant integrated into Microsoft 365 applications like the Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This one can help you automate tasks, generate content, and streamline workflows. Here's how you can get started with Microsoft Copilot. So first of all, to use the Microsoft Copilot, you need a Microsoft 365 subscription. If you don't have this one, you have to worry about that. Even what we can do is to use the Copilot directly into our Windows account. If you have a Windows computer, you can go and check out your home dashboard. Into your home dashboard, you want to make sure that you have the Copilot added. So if you don't have the Copilot added into your, let's say, element, you should see that we have the verification section here of the Copilot with element. Now the Copilot can be helping you to add it automatically here inside Windows. So usually the Copilot, since I have just installed this, you can check out how it actually looks. So inside the Copilot, I'm going to check out into the right path, and we have this element that says spread. This spread should be having a sidebar. Inside the sidebar, I can try to reload this element and we can actually use the Copilot. Now in this case, I'm going to close this. And as you can see, we are now inside the Copilot version. Sometimes this has internet, needed internet to be focused on. In this case, what I wanted to do now is to use Copilot using a new page of the browser. So if you choose the application, you can look forward for the Copilot icon, usually found in the toolbar. So you can click onto the to enable it. So make sure your application is updated to the last version. You can go directly into your Microsoft stuff to make sure that there's no update later. Now, in Word, Copilot can assist you with writing and editing type in comment like write summary or this document. So I can go into the Microsoft 365. So let's go for Microsoft 365. Now in here, I can go and of course choose the option that says sign in. I'm going to log in. And inside here, you want to use exactly the same account that I'm using into my computer and into Copilot. Let's assume, for example, that I need help creating an action blocked script for a tutorial. If I go directly into Copilot, what you can do is to go here into Copilot GPT and go for Copilot. Inside here, what you can do is to go into Ask Me Anything. Let's go for Help Me create a block video script for let's say a Google Sites tutorial. There we go. Now the actual section of the Copilot should be generating an actual script for what we're actually trying to aim for. So as you can see, it says creating a video script for the Google Sites. A great idea. Let's break down step by step. So you have to choose your target audience, to set a goal, outline the content, and so much more elements. So what I need to do is to copy all of this information, or go and select this element that says copy. Go back into my Word and I paste it here. Now as you can see, here is now pasted my element created by Copilot. This is one element that we can use to create elements though. Now we can of course use Copilot to do so much more. For example, you can check out presentation, adding slides, and adding content. So if I go back into Copilot, let's say that create an image in 3D that helps me showcase my work. I can choose one image and I can download this image. You can give a format if you want to, but in this case I'm going to just leave this as it is, just to see how we can actually use this great section of the Copilot. Now something more that you can do directly into the Copilot is that we have a total chat of 300 chats per day. We can check out the 4,000 character messages balanced. We have the model of tally number 3, 15 boost daily generation. We have 5 uploads per day, and there's character limits. We can check out the notebook, how we can actually use the models beyond the chat of notebook. In case Scratchpad lets you fine tune your prompt. File upload and data analytics that can be working here into the Copilot. And the designer into the Copilot helps you generate AI images as we actually saw the Copilot. So as you check out here, Copilot is a great element of how we can get started and using elements though. So the Copilot can be helping you to do so much more elements. If you have this installed directly into your Windows, you can do so much more than just asking questions and generate images. You can of course make this your own AI assistant. So with that being said, we can now reach the very end of the video. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more amazing tools of this great application generated by Microsoft. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully we can see you next time.